welcome back to my channel. Say hi. Hi. You're not in the frame. Come this way. Hey. Today's the most exciting day ever. Sydney's first amusement park. We are at Storyland and it's in Glen, New Hampshire. So if you guys are from the area, I'm sure you know about Storyland. But it's super exciting and Sydney's gonna go on some rides and yeah, we'll show you around our day. You like being on the camera? Yeah.
Yeah, she likes to watch it back.
Aww. I know. Goody, look at the eyes moving. Okay, now here.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. It took all the king's horses and all the king's men just to put Humpty Dumpty together again. And now watch for the magic button.
Bye. Now she's saying she loves Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah, she likes to.
Oh, now you like Humpty Dumpty? Do you like Humpty Dumpty?
No, come on.
Go on, get the side for a second.
Read a book.
There you go.
Can you tell her thank you? It says Storyland.
Leave it on. Can you say thank you?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello again, boys and girls. Do you like riddles? I've got some I know you'll like. Just yell out the answer if you've got a guess. Here we go.
She's super unsure with all the noises happening, so she needs her blankie. Oh, that's you making the noise. I want to do it. Sprint to the car to get my C-bands because I get extremely motion sick, so if I have to go on any rides with Sydney, I need them so bad. These things are so old, I've had them forever, but they work really well for me. Unless I'm going on like teacups, then I actually need Dramamine or nothing. So anyway, I'm sweating now, very sticky and sweating. Sydney's had several meltdowns, but we're managing them. Wow. We can't go in there, honey. We don't want to scare them.
Come see. Oh, she thinks it's...
Oh, you giving him a hug.
Carousel ride time. Eating lunch. This one's got, what are you eating? Eating mac and cheese? Okay, be careful. Mama has pizza. What do you have, Brianna? Pizza? Pizza? Look at that. And what are we eating, Diane?
Healthy sandwich.
A wrap. Yum. Super cute. We've got a view of when the train comes by. Super cute view. We're hanging in. Good job! So cute! Sydney, are you having fun? We're going on a roller coaster. Are you ready? I have to sit by myself! Oh, there's only two? Yeah! I got my bands on though, just in case. I'm excited! Can you do it? Are you sure you can do it?
Yeah, I've been on roller coasters before.
Oh, okay. Okay, that roller coaster was way more intense than I thought. It rattled my brain. I'm like, I am so not young anymore, but it was awesome. It was so much faster than I expected. So, I'm like an old person now though. Was that way more intense or what than you thought? We found the dinosaur again.
Okay.
I think it's time for Dippin' Dots soon.
Oh, the breeze feels nice.
That breeze feels good and I'm glad the sun's out.
Yes.
Okay, how was that roller coaster?
Awesome.
It was awesome. Was it fast?
Yeah,
Very fast. Was it scary? No. Just awesome?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we're all eating our ice creams now. It's melting in 0.5 seconds, but we created our own sundaes and we got some Dippin' Dots too. Little girl is so happy.
Stuffing my face on YouTube.
You want more? Hold those napkins.
Good thing nobody knows me on the Mama channel.
Yeah. I'm officially sweating so bad.
Jesse! Hi, neighbors! I'm so glad you're all here to share this terrific day with us. 1, 2, 3. Hi! Daniel's tired. I'm so happy to see so many friends in the neighborhood. so much to say. Friends know each other, yes they do. It's true.
Are we going on a ride? We're going on a ride? On antique cars, and I hope Sydney tries to drive. Sydney is dead exhausted. I think it's like 4 o'clock. She's done. No, not our car, honey. We're going on a different car. We're going on those cars. So much fun, and it's almost park closing time. So Sydney is playing in the geysers, like the water splashes, and my mom and the rest of the crew is on a raft ride, which I really want to go on. So I'm going to see if maybe we have a little bit of time as the park closes. Whoa. Oh, honey, I'm right here. Sydney, I'm right here, baby. Oh, she just wore one in the face. I love it. You just wore one in the face. I'm going to see if maybe I have time to ride. But I don't know, we'll see, because I really want to do it. But we'll see how wet they are too. But we're having so much fun.
Is anybody getting a drink? I'm so thirsty, I just want water. I just want to chug.
So we stopped for dinner. What time is it? It's so late. Yeah, 6:20. We stopped at Muddy for some food. And now we're coloring. We're not going to get home until like 9 o'clock at night. We had such a fun day.
Oh my god, look at her.
Sydney, did we have such a fun day? Yeah. Who is this? Who bought you this?
She saw me actually. Do it. I know you want to do it.
My mom is so uncomfortable being on camera. Can you tell?
What?
I said my mom is so uncomfortable being on camera.
Yeah.
But Brianna's not. Brianna loves it. Oh yeah. Because Brianna's on YouTube. Showing the food. That's Mama's. All right, you guys, we are home. It is 9:30 at night. This little girl did not sleep at all in the car. She didn't sleep one bit. She was singing and loud. She's super hyper right now. I just cannot believe she's been awake for, let's see, 14 and a half hours with no nap and a very long day, but she did amazing. No, it's time for Nene, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you guys buy Storyland tickets online, use code BLOGREADER19 and that will save you money on every ticket for the season. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Sydney, can you say goodbye? I'm more tired than she is right now. It's kind of crazy.